Hey everyone, welcome to i3D Themes' first Facebook livecast. I'm Brandon, and I'm one of the owners and developers here at i3D Themes. And today we're going to talk to you about website plugins and what they can do for you and how they work. So this is, thinking, is there going to be a blooper reel? No, this is the blooper reel. So you're getting everything in real time. This is just like if you were to call us up and say, hey, I have some questions. But you're going to get my pretty face along with it. So what are website plugins? What are website enhancements? It's an enhanced set of files that get deployed out to your server that allow you to have some functionality that you wouldn't get with a static website. We've been developing them for a number of years. And what happens is you put it out to your server and you run the installation wizard, which is less than 5 minutes. It's much like the WordPress installation wizard. And it will create everything for you. Actually, you don't need any programming experience. It's all designed so that a do-it-yourselfer, such as yourself, or a developer that wants to keep things simple, that maybe doesn't have any PHP or MySQL experience. It's designed so that you can just run the wizard and just use the web interface to go and create yourself a calendar or a shopping cart or a guest book or all these different plugins that we have available. It's designed to keep it simple for you. So server side, that means that it's run on your server. It's an app. Okay, that's the catchphrase for the year. It seems everything is an app. It's no longer software, but it is an application. It runs on your server. It's got pretty easy installation. Putting the files up, you just need to connect it to your web hosting space, and we give instructions for that. We also have a wizard that walks you through it. So what happens is that you go and get whichever plugin you're looking for, and you install it. You say it's a calendar or a guest book, and you create your calendar using the web interface, and then it gives you just a little snippet of text code that you go and then copy and paste it into your web page. You put that web page up to your web server, your web space, and voila, you get a beautifully rendered component, calendar or whatever it is that you're putting in your page, and it looks like it fits in with your website. Now that's the real plus here, is that these applications, they run right on your server, and so it gets processed right into your page. There are web applications out there, third-party web applications, where it runs in sort of like an iframe or pops up in a new window, and it doesn't look like it really runs as a part of your website. It maybe doesn't give the visitor the sense of security that you've got a full-fledged website and you know what's going on. So that's where our plugins really come in. So we have 12 of them, and we're going to be going through over the next few weeks. Actually, we're going to be doing it one a week at Wednesday, 1 p.m. Pacific time, where we're going to walk through, just like, again, if you called up and say, hey, I'm interested in the access control. Can you tell me about all the features? We're going to be doing that. We're going to be walking through what's great about the plugin, how it works, all those sort of things. So we're going to be running through the shopping cart, the access control, the help desk, the blog, newsletter, form wizard, content wizard, calendar, listing service, guest book, web ballot, and Who's Online plugin. Now, after that, we're going to say that's probably about 12 weeks, right? There's probably going to be another 13th, and maybe even a 14th. We're working on a couple of really great new ideas that we're going to be bringing to offer, and we'll be showcasing those new features of those new plugins at that time. So here you go. This is the first of our i3D Themes Facebook live cast. I guess that's what you call it, complete with all of our bloopers. And please, if you have any comments or questions about these, please put them in the I guess it'd be the Facebook comment area. All of our plugins were developed from ideas from you, our customers. So if somebody said, hey, I really have this requirement, and it needs to do this, this, and this. We went, oh, can we do that? Can we do it in a reasonable amount of time and make it so that it could be used for a couple different scenarios so that it's not just this one customer? And that's where these 12 plugins have come from. So now that they are built, different types of customers can use them for different scenarios, but it helps to keep the cost down, because they're about $100 for most of them. Each one is about $100. If you were to have one of these custom built, I was just taking a look at, where was it? It was the Executionist. If you even Google current cost to develop a website in 2016. If you find an article from Executionist, they're talking a simple informational website anywhere from $7,000 to $10,000. Something with simple e-commerce anywhere from $8,000 to $15,000, and then if you have something way more advanced, it's going to be a whole lot more. And if you're to have one of these website applications developed for you custom like, you're talking it's probably going to be $5,000, $10,000, possibly $15,000 for each one of these. Of course, we don't charge that. We develop a software package that it's designed for the do-it-yourselfer, so you can go and create a website with all this enhanced functionality. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed this live cast. And again, if you have any comments, please, we'd love to hear from you. Our software only gets better once we hear of more ideas to add into it. So, see you next week, and look forward to talking to you then. Bye-bye.